Hi all, welcome to the 8th video session of color image processing. The contents are dilation example 1 and example 2, more interesting example and multiple choice questions. Dilation is a process in which the binary image is expanded from its original shape. The way the binary image is expanded is determined by the structuring element. In dilation process, the structuring element is made to move on the image. During this process, we will look for any overlapping similar pixels between structuring element and that of binary image. If there exists an overlapping, then pixels under the center position of the structuring element will be turned to black. Dilation is used for expanding an element by using structuring element B. Dilation of A by B and is defined by the following equation. A dilation of B is equal to the set Z for every B cap of Z intersection of A not equal to 0 into 9.2 minus 1. The dilation of A by B. A by B is set of all displacements Z such that A overlap by at least one element. Based on this interpretation, the equation can be rewritten as A dilation of B is equal to Z of B cap Z intersection of A subset of A. So that is obtain the reflection of B about the horizon and shift this reflection by Z. Dilation of A and B is a set of all displacement Z such that B and B cap overlap by at least one element. Dilation grows or thickens the objects in a binary image. The thickness of an image is controlled by the shape of structuring element. The structuring element B is symmetric to its origin. B is equal to B cap. Figure shows the simple set structuring element B and black dot denotes the origin of the element. Origin of the black dot denotes the origin of the element. The dashed line shows the references and solid line shows the limit beyond which further displacement of origin p cap by z will cause p cap of z intersection of A is equal to null. That is not desirable condition. Thus, all points inside the boundary shows the dilation of A by B. Here you can see the set A square structuring element dot is the center. Dot is the square structuring element. Dot is the center. Dilation of A by B shown shaded. Historically, certain computer programs were written using only two digits rather than four to define the applicable year. Accordingly, the company's software may recognize the date using 00 as 1900 rather than the year 2000. Historically, certain computer programs were written using only two digits rather than four to define the applicable year. Accordingly, the company's software may recognize the date using 00 as 1900 rather than the year 2000. Here in the figure, A is the sample text of poor resolution with broken characters, magnified view. B is a structuring element. C is dilation of A by B. Broken segments are joined. joined. This is a more interesting example. We will go for MCQ. Dilation of A and B is defined by the following equation. A dilation of B, Z, B cap of Z intersection of A not equal to null. True. The dilation of A by B is the set of all displacements Z such that A overlap by at least one element. Dilation expands image with respect to structuring elements. True. Dilation grows or thickens objects in a binary image. True. A and B as a sets in Z square. Dilation of A by B denoted by A XR of B is defined as A XR of B is equal to Z by B cap of Z intersection of A not equal to null. This is true. These are the references, and thank you. We will stop the session here.